Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to read and learn. Are you ready now? So, we have exercise one, and we are going to develop our comprehension skills for today. The title of our story is about cleaning yourself. Cleaning yourself, Luz said. I am clean and pretty. I wash my face. I put on a clean dress. I trim nails. I comb my hair. Look at me. Am I not pretty? Now let's see if you had understood our story. Let us write the letter of the correct answer. So you get a paper and a pencil and you're going to write your answer. Number one, who is talking? A. Liz. B. Luz. C. Lovely. Number two, what does she do with her face? A. She trims it. B. She washes it. C. She combs it. Number three. What does she do with her nails? A. She cleans them. B. She trims them. C. She washes them. Number four. What does she do with her hair? A. She cleans it. B. She combs it. C. She washes it. Next, number five. This is number five. What does she say? A. I am clean and pretty. B. I am big and strong. C. I am strong and healthy. So this time we will know or we are going to check if you really understood the story we had read a while ago. So, are you ready? Get your answer and we will check them. Let's check your answers. Number one is letter B. The answer is lose. Number two, letter B. She washes it. Number three, letter B. She trims them. Number four, letter B again. She combs it. And number five, letter A. I am clean and pretty. So I hope, guys, that you got perfect score for this activity. Thank you and see you next time. By the way, our reference for this is Developing Reading Power 1, pages 1 to 3. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye.